Okay, today I was looking at my aquarium, and you would not believe what I saw. My fish, the white one, is missing an eye. Yeah, it's really disgusting. And he's like still like swimming around the tank like he doesn't even care he's missing an eye. Like he's not bleeding or anything, he's just missing an eye. I don't know if one of the other fish ate it or if like it just popped off. Look. Okay, it's not the big white one. It's the really fat white one right here. Look at him. Just keep on watching. He is like missing an eye. Not that side, it's the other side. Wait till he turns around. Come on, turn around. Look! Isn't that disgusting? Oh my gosh, I have like no clue how we got that eye missing, but it's missing. Like, pretty obvious. I can't believe I didn't notice that earlier. Like, really disgusting. Yeah. Come on, guys, turn back around. I want everyone to see it. Turn around. There it is. No, other way, other way, other way. Come on, my battery's about to die. Turn around, fishy. And they're running the vacuum. Dang it. I hope you don't hear that. I'm like running the vacuum back there. Ew, look at it. He's just missing an eye. He doesn't even care. It's like really weird. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys that, because seriously, it really freaked me out. Okay? Well, bye!